So, Bungabar, Sneachta, Snow, an céadín a bhí ann, daigh rosa thugta clog, déach sé amach an inneog. Bhí sé cur sneachta, bhí sneachta sa gárdín. Bhí éin ina hí an grán. Bhí áthas rosa, glé sé nasa. Déan defer, déanamid fearr sneachta. Ceart go leor. Chuir nasa, cóta, seacéid agus lámhíní uirthi. Chuir sí stucí agus bútaisí uirthi freisin. Chuir rosa gansaí, cóta agus scarf fella Chuir sé lámhíní freisin. Thuaidh na páistí amach sa gárdín, rinne siad fearr sneachta. Tar éis tamil, tháinig cliana agus séimí amach sa gárdín. Bhí cótaí agus bútaisí uirthi. Awami, an bhfuil cead agam dul amach sa gárdín. Tháinig Gordo amach freisin. Thosaigh sé ag tafan. Chuir na páistí súile agus srón agus béal an fearr sneachta. Chuir cliana hata a cheann. Chuir rosa an scarf fella an bharr sneachta. Séimí sneachta is anam dó. An sathern, thuaidh rosa amach sa gárdín. Bhí an grín sa spéir. Bhí an hata an talamh. Bhí an sneachta imethe. Bhí an fearr sneachta imethe. Agus bhí an scarf fella imethe freisin. Tá sé imethe. Okay, everyone, so this story is called Snow, Sneachta. So an céadín a bhí ann, it was Wednesday. Dairg Rosa. Rosa got up a thugta clog. Déach sé amach an inneog. He looked out the window. Bhí sé ag cur sneachta. It was egg. Anything with egg in it is a doing word. So it was snowing. Bhí sneachta sa gárdín. There was snow on the ground. Bhí éin beag ina hí an grán. There was a small little bird sitting on the crán, on the tree. Bhí áthas Rosa. There was happiness on Rosa. Rosa was happy. Glé sé nasa. He called Nasa. Déan defer. So hurry up. Déan bhimid fearr sneachta. We will make a snowman. Ceart go leor. Okay. So, this is Daddy speaking. Curb earth na bútaisí. Put on your boots. So there's a hata and there's a shackage and there's the boots. Chuir nasa cóta. She put a coat, a jacket and gloves on her. She put socks and boots on her freshen. On the other hand, Rosa, chuir rosa gansaí. Rosa put a jumper, a coata and a scarf fella. So a scarf fella is a football scarf on him. So here's your scarf fell. Your coata agus lámhíní. Chuir sé lámhíní freisin. He put gloves on himself too. Chuir na páistí. Thuaidh na páistí amach sa gárdín. Rinne siad fearr sneachta. They made a snowman. Tar éis tamil, tháinig cliana agus séimí amach sa gárdín. So tar éis tamil, after a time, after a while, cliana came out. Cliana and séimí came out in the garden. Bhí cótaí agus bútaisí uirthi. They had coats and boots on them. Amami, an bhfuil cead agam dul amach sa gárdín. Do I have permission to go out in the garden? Okay, so tháinig Gordo amach freisin. Gordo came out too. Thosaigh sé ag tafan. He started barking. So chuir na páistí súile agus srón Asúla agus Sean agus béal an Farsneachta. So the children put eyes, nose and a mouth on the snowman. Cleena put a hat on his head, and Rossa put the football scarf, and scarf fell on Sneachta, on the snowman. Okay, so on Saturday, Rossa went out into the garden. Bhí an green sa spare. The sun was in the spare. The sun was in the sky. The hatta was on the talamh. The hat was on the ground. The Sneachta was imethe. The snow was gone. Bhí an Barr Sneachta imethe too. The snowman was gone too. And bhí an scarf fell imethe freshen. So the football scarf was gone too. Tá sé imethe. It is gone. Okay, so questions. Céin lá a bhí ann. What day was it? So you have to start that off with on something a bhí ann. Céin tam a dairg Rossa. Start off with the verb. Dairg Rossa, ega, or era, whatever time. Céir de rinne sé. What did he make? Start off with the verb. Rinne sé, whatever. Cé a hui amach sa garden. So who went out in the garden? Hui, someone amach sa garden. Céir de rinne siad. Start off with the verb rinne siad. Cadíd na héidi a chur siad an Barr Sneachta. What are the clothes they put on the Barr Sneachta? So start that sentence off with chur siad rud éigean an Barr Sneachta. An Saturn. Céir de bhí an talamh on Saturday. What was on the ground? So start off with an Saturn. Bhí something an talamh. Cá raibh an scarf. Where was the scarf? So you have to start off with bhí an scarf. Okay, ascríomh na habertí. Rewrite the sentences. Okay, there's a clue here. Okay, so the capital letter is glé, and Irish sentences always start off with the verb. So glé is called. Okay, glé, somebody called. Again, here's our verb. Bhí is was. So start off with bhí. In this sentence here, we've got deach as our capital letter, and that's our first word because it's the verb. And question 4 is the bhí. So was is the first word. So bhí something. Bhí an Barr Sneachta. Okay? Well done, everybody.